So thanks for joining us in this video. On our previous class, we looked at file menu, home menu, and insert menu. We stopped at illustration on insert menu. We looked at page covering, blank page, and we said that page covering is creating a cover page at the first that is making your first page your cover page that will have a separate design, a unique design, unlike other pages. Then we have the blank page. The blank page, we create a new blank page entirely that doesn't have anything inside. Like if I click a new blank page, remember we have only one page here. Look at this to show only one page. If I click on blank page now, we now have two because it has created a new blank page for me. Then page break. This page break, for instance, I am typing on this document and I've gotten to this point here. I don't want to add any other thing. I want to continue from a new page. I'll add this break page. It will automatically break the page. If you look at here now, it will break the page and continue from the next page. So then we have table. Let's say you want to type on the tabular form, you can pick this mirror you need and Ctrl Z. You want to type on the table, you click on this. Here is the column and the row. You select how many. You see how I'm selecting it. This is with the column. Here is rolling. Then you click, it automatically insert here. Or you want to insert it manually. I click on the table, then you say insert table. Here it will ask you how many columns do you want, and I will say I need 5. Then here how many row, I need 4 row. Then okay, it will automatically create the table for you. Then here is table design. You want to design your table, you can design the table using this side. Then we have the picture. From here you can insert picture on your Microsoft. Maybe you want to, for instance, you are typing a school exam or any other, or CV, you want to add passport, you want to add logo, you can click on this picture. It will take you back to your system where you now have to look for the picture you want to insert. Let's say we have let me insert this. Okay, now we have this here. So you can see we have inserted a logo inside this place. So now this logo cannot shift here until it's unlocked. So how do you unlock it? Maybe you have released it like this. You just double tap on the logo to open this format menu. Once this format menu is open, click on position. If you click on position, now this is a sign of the right top, the top side, the right side of the top screen. Then here is the center tab side of the top screen. Then here is the left side. Here is the center side of the top. Here is the right side of the top. Then here is the middle on the other side. So this sign of image you are seeing indicates the angle that image is going to appear on the screen. Let's say we want to use this, we'll click on this. So it has automatically unlocked. So right now I can move it, you can see. But like before, I cannot move this image. Before I can move this image here, but now you can move the image. So that is how to insert image and unlock it so that you can be able to change the location of the image. So let's go back. Now we want to insert online image. If we are connected, we said this feature need to connect to the internet. Do you want to allow Office to connect to the internet? Now because my data is on, I can say okay. You can see it's loading. Let's just wait for it to load. You can see it has taken us to where we can insert picture. Here is asking us if we want to insert from Beam. Bing is a cloud storage where you can save picture, or OneDrive is another cloud storage where your picture can be located. But now this don't have that kind of time. I can close that and insert offline. Then if I want to insert shape, here is where you can insert any type of your shape. All you need to do is to click on the shape, then you drag to insert. You click on the shape like this, click on the shape or any shape of your choice, then you drag. Click on the shape, you drag. So now let's say I want to this color that this shape comes with, I don't like it. There's a way to edit it. Here is the outline, here is the fill. Now this is it here also. Here is the fill. I can change the fill to this color. Then the outline has to do with the edges. I mean, make which color will come on very well. I think this yellow is okay. Then let me go and change the fill to another deeper one. Okay, I think this one is okay. So that we can no. This one is okay, so that we can see that yellow. You can see that I've changed the outline. The outline is the yellow aspect. That line is at the edge, that yellow line. Then the fill is the blue color inside. So I can change the blue color, I can change the outline, I can also change the design. I want to change the design to look like 3D. You can see I have changed it. It now looks like 3D. So that is for the shape effect. Then I want to add the design text. This is where you use to add design text. So the next one is smart art. Now smart art is used to visually communicate your idea or your intention or your result. So you can click on any type of smart art. Let's say we want to use this, and I just click OK. It will automatically create the smart art for me. So what I need here, I'll add text, which will explain your smart art. So that is how to add your smart art. The next one we are looking at is chart. You can pick any chart of your choice from here. Maybe you need pie chart, you can pick any pie chart of your choice from here. You need bar chart, you need stock chart, you need surface chart. So if you want to add, if you are working on geography and you want to add a surface chart, something like this, you can add this type of chart. This is tree map, this is sun post, they have histogram, they have box and whisker, we have the waterfall, then we have the combo. All these are type of chart. Depending on the one you want, you can take this. So all I need to do is to label this chart now. So the next one is screenshot. Now this screenshot, the moment you click on the screenshot, it will open all the open windows. And maybe I want to screenshot this window. This is CorelDRAW. If I click on it, it will automatically screenshot it. Where is this? Screenshot. Open this. Look at it. To automatically screenshot. It will go and screenshot that correct draw and bring it for me here. Then if that is not what I want to screenshot another page. Now, let me see. Let me just screenshot. This place now is showing half, and this side is showing half. I'm going to screenshot the half of this and half of this. So you hold down your Control plus Shift plus print screen. So I have been able to screenshot that. I'm going to paste it here. You see, this is the half side, this is the half side, and this is the full screen. This is the full screen we are working on. Let me unlock this so that I can move it. This is the full screen we are working on. So now look as if we are on that Microsoft Word, but we are not on Microsoft Word. We just screenshotted this same interface into this place. If you want to illustrate more now, you can use this to illustrate what you are talking about or the idea you are trying to pass out. So that is how to screenshot your screen on Microsoft Word. So the next one, we are looking at store and adding. This ones works when you are connected online. Also, online video, you use it to add video from the web. You can use it to add video from the web into your Microsoft Word. Then we have the hyperlink. The hyperlink, you can use it to add a link, maybe your website link, your TikTok link, your YouTube link, your Facebook link, WhatsApp link, your blog link, or any link you want people to get more information about what you are talking about, maybe about your CV. You want them to click online for more information. You can use the link, the hyperlink on the document to add more, to check for more information on what you are looking at. Then the bookmark, to bookmark a point, to mark a point where you can make reference back to in your document. Then we have comment. This comment works when you are collaborating. In Microsoft Word, you can collaborate with other people, like we said from the beginning of this class, or in our previous class, previous videos, that you can collaborate with others in Microsoft Word. And while you are collaborating, you can share comments on every aspect of the document. Any aspect you want to drop your comment, you can drop your comment, and people you are collaborating will see the comment and reply your comment. So you don't necessarily need to minimize your Microsoft Word, go to your WhatsApp or Facebook, or make a call to the people you are working with. You can drop a comment while they reply you instantly inside the document. So then we have the header. The header has to do with the top side of the screen. Now look at the heading margin here. Look at this line here. This is where the header ends here. The margin of the heading here. That is where it ends. Then we have the footer. This is the footer. This margin here. This place here. This is the margin here. If you want to see that line, just click on where this little shaded color is. Click on it. The margin line will appear. So let's say we want to add header now. Let's add header. You click on insert, then you come to header. You pick the heading, the style you want. Now if I use this document title header, and I'm going to add the, let me say I want to add intro to MS Word. So I'll close this. Now if I go to every other document will automatically inherit that header. You can see it. I don't need to start typing all of them one after the other. Why? Because I have added the header. Any section where you add the header, it will automatically reflect on other header. Then let's add footer. Let's say we want to add footer. The same way the header works, the footer works the same way. Wait, I can decide to add this type of footer with page numbering. So with this type of footer, I don't need to add page number, automatically it will add page. What I need to add now is date. I can add date. Where is it? Today is 3rd of July. Let me say I want to add 03 07 25. So you can see it automatically inherit those dates. Are you seeing it? This is how to add footer and header in your document. Then another thing we are going to be looking at is page numbering. But if you're already using a header or footer that has page numbering, you don't need to add page number. But if you are not using those footer or header that had page numbering, you just click on the page numbering. It will ask if you want to add it from the top. Look at the sample for the top. This one is for the bottom. You want to add it on the bottom. Here is on the, you want to add it on only on this current position. You can add it. Then you can format the page number, change the format. The next thing we have here is text box. This text box helps you to type where you wouldn't have had the privilege to type. For instance, I cannot type in this place because this is an image. This place is an image. I cannot type here. But with text box, I can be able to type. Now look at what this does. If I click on text box, if I click on this, it will automatically assign a text box for me, which will not give me stress because okay, I can move it to where I want it to be. But let me delete this. Maybe I don't want it to assign it to me. I'll click on the text box, then I'll come to draw text box. Then I'll go to where I want to draw it. Unless I want it here, I'll just draw and start typing. You see, I can now type on top of that image because I am using text box. So that is how text box works. And the next one is quick part, then word art. I want to use this word art. You see, I can use this word art, or I can select this and change the word art. Can change it. See it. Then the next one is signature. Signature works when you are online. The date also works when you are online, or when your document has a date. Then object, you can add text from file, you can add object from file. Then equation, you are working on mathematical document, you can add equation. Or symbols, you want to add symbols inside this document. So let's say we want to add naira sign, we click on it, it will just appear. Let's say we want to add symbol that is not here, you want to add a symbol that is not here, you just click on more symbol, then you search. You use this to search. Let's say this is what you want, you click on it once, you click on insert. It has inserted already, just close this. When you come back here, you will see it here. So that is how to add symbol on your Microsoft Word. So now we have been able to look at what header, page numbering, footer, how to insert picture, how to insert shapes, how to insert a new page, how to insert a cover page using the insertion tab. So all insertion tab does is make sure to insert something. So whenever you think of inserting something, think of insert button. Whenever you think of inserting image, think of insert button or insert tab. Whenever you think of inserting video or inserting screenshot or inserting table, think of insert menu. So Thanks for watching this video. You want to drop your comment in the comment section, drop your question in the comment section. We will reply you. I will reply you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. God bless you. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you on a nice video. Thank you. Bye.